Hey there, future scientists and inventors. I'm Francine, but you might know me as Princess Francie. Welcome to my electronics lab. Take a look around. This is my world. I used to work with technology every day. Working with electronics means I got to work with wires and amazing tech. Electronics are everywhere. They're in your phone and your video games, and even the giant airplanes I worked on in the military. Everything uses technology. Somebody has to design and build all this cool stuff, and that somebody could be you. Yeah, there are so many amazing careers waiting for you to discover and explore. You might wonder, when will I ever use math or science? Well, here in the lab, I'm like a detective. Math and science are my secret tools. They help me solve mysteries and fix problems when things don't work. If you aren't an expert yet, that's okay. It just means you're still learning. Just stay curious and keep asking questions. That's how we all grow. Repeat after me. I am an inventor. Great job. You are amazing. I can't wait to see what you create. Keep exploring and always let your sparkle shine.